In this video, you will learn how to merge the cells in Excel in a simple and easy manner. So if you are watching the video for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and please hit the like button and please share if you think this video is helpful for you. So let's start how to merge cells in Excel. So for example, we have a table of informations. If you want to know how to split the cells in Excel or how to split diagonally two headers in a same Excel, you can check the video links in the description below. So the normal and easy method how we generally do the merge of cell is merge and center. For example, I select the data, go to the home tab, select merge and center. This is the by default 99% we do, but there are different options which we can do in the merge and center. For example, let's undo this. Let's select these cells, and in this example I want only merge the straight line, only the rows, not the columns. So for that I need to use merge across. So here I have to select and select merge across. So what will happen? It will be merged horizontally and vertically it will be not merged. If we have selected only merge and center, we might got only one cell. But now if you select merge and center, you will get all the rows and it will be merged horizontally. Now what is the other options we have? So now if you normally click on merge and center, what will happen? Your data will get merged and it will be center aligned. But in case you don't want to change the format like left, right or center, then go to drop down and select merge cells. So if you do that, your alignment will be intact, it will be only merged. Now how to unmerge the cells in Excel? If you want to unmerge, then go to the drop down, select unmerge, or just select the merge and center icon and it will be unmerged. If you want to know how to combine the text or combine the cells using the formulas and functions, then check the video links in the description below, where we have different formulas like AND function, combine function, consolidate the data using the text join functions, and different functions we have to consolidate the data. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.